Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions how to run HTML code. Okay, so friends, I have already taught Java projects, how to run Java projects, Python. I have how to run Python, how to run C and C++. Okay, so C++ project also I also show. So now we start HTML. So how to do? So at first I have to create a folder. Okay, that's folder I have already created, but okay, now I want to show that which you have to install. You have to install live. Okay, so my installed, yeah, that is the, you will see that how many live server. Okay, live server I have already installed. So no problem. So we can easily easily run HTML code. Now let's start. So file, I will go file, and I will go to file and open folder, and you see that which folder I documented it. Okay, C++. Okay, HTML. So select folder. This is my select folder, HTML. Okay, so in here I have already written indents HTML. Okay, indents HTML, you have to write indents HTML. So I just click in here. Okay, so indents HTML ML code. Okay, in here I get document. Okay, okay, I will also indents dot HTML. Okay, no problem, it is already exist. So if I exist work, no problem. I have to show indents HTML, no problem. Then you will see that I have already written a, in body I have written probal. So friends, I just right click, my result is coming probal. Here I write probal chakraborty science and maths. Okay, so how can I see this? Because at first I need to save. Yeah, save, and I run. How can I run? I just right click. So Probal Chakraborty science and maths channel I get again. Okay, this is the HTML. This is the HTML code, HTML program. Okay, so my program, I hope I can clear this total concept, how to find out HTML and how to write HTML code. Thanks for watching.